Inga 3, the hydropower project. The Inga 3 was built along the Congo River. The Inga 3 was announced to the public in 2013 with an estimated cost of $14 billion. The project was aimed to produce 4.8 gigawatts of power. The project was supposed to help South Africa and the DRC. The World Bank cancelled its involvement in 2016, leaving the project unfinished. In 2017, the government announced that they would redesign the project. This time, the project is intended to exceed the 10 gigawatt limit. Africa at the time didn't have enough money to put into the project. The government asked the two competing consortia that bidded to develop the project. One of the two consortia being led by the company China Three Gorges. The China Three Gorges is a university in Hubei province in China that studies ponds and dams. The second consortia being Spain's ACS, who also bid in the Inga 3, they proclaim themselves as a global leader of infrastructure. The Inga 3 wouldn't be much help for long because 90% of the Democratic Republic of Congo has no access to electricity. And the Inga 3 project is set to expire in 2021 until it is renewed by other consortia. The dictionary: hydropower consortia, infrastructure estimate. Review: government announces project, World Bank gets involved, estimated cost $14 billion, estimated power 4.8 gigawatts. The World Bank Council's involvement, the government announces a redesign. The consortia China, Three Gorges, and Spain's ASC bids in Inga 3. Inga 3 is set to expire in 2021 until another consortium renews it. 90% of the Democratic Republic of the Congo does not have access to electricity.